Well, welcome in the kitchen. Let me adjust y'all a little bit. I'm glad y'all are here. We're going to make us a loaded potato salad. Yum, yum, yum. All right. First, we got to get us some potatoes, and I've got them right here in the sink, and I'm going to peel them because I don't like the skin in my potato salad. And these have, these are just russet potatoes that I'm using. So, and I'm going to cut these in fairly good sized chunks. See? About like that. You can cut them smaller or leave them larger, whatever your preference is, if I can get my words out. While we're peeling these potatoes, if y'all go over there and hit that subscribe button, oh, I'd appreciate it so. And he's calling for a hamburger and french fries again tonight. We're going to have us some potato salad, and I'm going to fix us some sheet pan burgers, and I'll do separate videos for y'all so you don't have to, so you can pick and choose what you want to watch, okay? I don't know if you all have ever made loaded potato salad or not. I'm going to put some bacon, some onions, some eggs, some, what else? Some peppers, some celery, and some mayo. I don't know what else. I have to think. Some cheese. This is different from Mama's potato salad, okay? Mama's is a little more simple. I forgot to get out our eggs. I'll put them right in here and boil them with my potatoes. So, not going to make too much because I don't really want it left over. Although this is great left over, and you have it the next day for lunch, or this is great to take on a picnic as long as you've got a cooler or somewhere to keep it cool. I can't even think about what I want to talk to y'all about because he's hollering so tonight. I'm trying to get y'all some videos made in case we're out of town or something. You never know. We're liable to run away. I doubt it. We usually don't go anywhere. We stay right here around home. We did get our garden planted. We planted some beans and corn and tomatoes and cucumbers, some peppers, some watermelons. Lots of yummy things. Lots and lots of yumminess. Some onions. I've got onions growing out there. Y'all saw me plant those. Pour a little bit of that water off. All right, I'm going to set these over on the stove. When they get done, I'll bring you back when we get ready to put it all together, okay? Okie doke, let's get us some things cut for our potato salad. We'll use this bowl right there as a trash bowl in the sink. We're going to add an onion. All right, now let me tell you, let me go over what we got. We got in the pot on the stove, we've got potatoes and eggs, okay? And I'm doing like Mama. Mama always said, 1 egg for every potato. And we're going to chop up this onion. And I'm not going to use my little chopper because I want this to be a little bit larger than it makes it. So I'm just going to try to dice it here. I'm not too good at dicing onions, y'all. Especially when they fall apart on you. Just going to give them a good chop right here. And that right there will be plenty of onion. All right. And we're going to have to add some celery. My loaded potato salad's a little different from everybody else's because I add a lot of things to it. A lot of things to it. Same goes for the celery. I want my pieces to be a little bit larger. And this celery's already been washed, and I put it in aluminum foil because it will keep and stay crisp for a lot longer in your refrigerator. You need to take all of your vegetables out of plastic as soon as you get them home because that plastic is what makes them rot and go bad. Sure is. So you don't want that. No, we do not. We do not. We want to keep our vegetables. Good and fresh. So we wrap them in aluminum foil. All right, now then we got us a red pepper here to add some color. You know, we've got to add some color. All righty. Same goes for it. I want little larger chunks this time. It's kind of a chunky potato salad, I guess. Okay. And then we've got us out some mayonnaise, and we've got out some cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese, and we've got out some bacon bits right here. And y'all know what, these are the bacon bits I get at Sam's in that big black bag, and it's real bacon, okay? It's just pre-cooked, crumbled real bacon. I always put them in the microwave to crisp them up. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Look at that. See all that grease bubbling up there? That's extra fat that I'm going to pull out of that with this paper towel right here. Right like this. I'm just going to pop that right on the top of that. That's the reason I put it in the microwave. Okay, you get a little more of that grease out of there. You sure do. All right, now then, I'll be back here in just a minute when our potatoes are done and cooled. All right, y'all, our potatoes are done and they're draining here. I did run cold water over them for a few minutes because you want to stop them cooking and you want to get them cold. Unless you're serving a hot potato salad, you want them kind of cool. Here's our eggs. I'm going to show y'all how to peel an egg with a spoon. I've shown y'all this before. I'm going to show you again. I'm going to get you right down here. See this right here? Cracked the big fat end. Let me move our potatoes. All right, you see that? We'll turn on some cold water. I'm going to get it started. Did y'all see that? And you're going to take your spoon. I don't know if y'all can see good or not. Take your spoon And go up under that membrane. And just start going around that egg just like that. Can y'all see that? And then voila, perfectly done egg. Let's do one more. I'm going to pull y'all over here where you can see sideways like this. Okay? The big end is the one you want to crack right here. This big fat end. And you just get it started. And you go up under that membrane and you just work around. Just like that. See right there, you can see real good that membrane and the shell. You want to get up under that membrane. And sometimes you might need to add a little more water to help lubricate that egg down in there. See, once you do, you've got your egg to go, and just like that, you just go very gently around it. And that's absolutely the easiest way in the world to peel an egg. And that works for hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs. We'll do one more, and I've got 3 more to do. Okay. Just get right up under that membrane and just start going around. Easy, easy, easy. And that shell just cracks as you go around with that spoon. All right, y'all, here we are. We're back. I'm pull y'all up just a little bit. So you can see good and you can see everything good. All right, here we go. There's our potatoes. There's our bacon. Here's our cheese. That's a lot of cheese. Maybe I don't want to use all that. Okay, there's our cheese. There's my knife. I'm going to lay these eggs right here in this bowl for just a minute so I can scoop up all this. There's our peppers, our celery, some onion, all right, there we go. I believe that's enough of that. We're going to overflow our bowl, aren't we? And let's just chop our eggs just like this. Just quarter them and then slice right down through them. Okay. I may have to get a bigger bowl. I might. You never know. I believe I am going to at least have to put it in a bigger bowl to mix it. I'll wash this out. Let's see if it'll do us a little bit easier to mix. Maybe you'll get a little extra room to mix. Then we'll put it in that bowl. All right, here we go. Rest of our eggs. Y'all, I put my eggs right on top of my potatoes when I was boiling them because there's no point in dirtying another pot. They boil just fine like that. All righty. Now then, let me wash my hands off again. And we'll get to mixing this up. Here is our 1 packet of ranch dressing. And I use the restaurant style, which is the buttermilk recipe. It's the old recipe, the original recipe that you use buttermilk with. But we're not going to use buttermilk. We're just going to add that in there just like that. Yum. Then we got some mayo. Got us some mayo. Got me a big spoon here. I'm going to put me Big dollop on that like that. And I'm just going to start stirring or tossing, really. I'm just kind of tossing it. Y'all see that? Just kind of tossing it. And I'm tossing it, that's for sure. It's coming out all over the counter. But my counters are clean, so I'll just pick it up and go on. I don't know about y'all, but I do. I believe that's going to be about enough. Because you don't want it too creamy. I'm good to eat all of them on the counter. All right. Now look at that. Look at all those pretty colors in there. Isn't that pretty? That's just beautiful. Love the red peppers in it. I'm still eating off the counter. But that's okay. Y'all, that is some good, yummy potato salad. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, that is some good potato salad. So, how quick and easy was that potato salad to make? Super easy, super quick. You all will love it. If there's something in it you don't like, leave it out. Or add more if you like more. But this is just a set different kind of potato salad from Mama's potato salad. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.